Headlines are starting to go up as far as the cold that is expected going into Tuesday night, Wednesday morning into Thursday morning. And during that time period, we now have an extreme cold watch issued for these shades of blue, basically Waco and to the north and west, where those areas during that time period could have wind chills nearing 0 degrees, while we're probably having wind chills in the teens out in here where you don't see the extreme cold watch closer to the Brazos Valley. Still very, very cold during that time. We'll take a look at extended future track getting into tomorrow. It does appear that we'll still have some sunshine around, and we'll at least have that for the morning hours, although it will be quite cold, maybe getting a few clouds in here by the afternoon. And then Tuesday afternoon, we start to see some showers and maybe some thunderstorms break out east of Interstate 35, and things will at least be mild for the first part of the afternoon, but once the evening arrives, that cold front hits from the north, and fortunately the rain will really be out of here by that time, which we wouldn't want the rain to overlap with those cold temperatures. But what you're seeing here, back here with the cloud cover, even though it looks like most of the rain has departed by late Tuesday night, some of these clouds just could have some leftover drizzle or maybe some sleet pellets, maybe something falling as some light freezing drizzle at times. I don't think it would be much and be short duration if it happened, but even something like that could create a few slick spots on the roadways for Wednesday morning. So that's something we'll need to look out for, but it does look like we'll get some sunshine back for Wednesday, but again, very cold by that time. The wind chills are going to be no joke. You can look here from a future track for our feels like temperatures as that front drops through Tuesday. Then we're waking up to numbers like this for Wednesday morning. It'll feel like the single digits for many. It could feel like 0 out by Goldthwaite in Hamilton. And then we basically don't have as much wind Thursday morning, but the temperatures themselves will be colder. So once again, that provides wind chills in the single digits for most locations. And that's why through that time period, we still have that extreme cold watch that is effective for basically the north and west parts of central Texas. And that's something that could be upgraded to an extreme cold warning once the time comes, but the impacts would still be the same. So as far as the 10-day forecast here, 58 tomorrow, 61 for Tuesday with some showers coming in. And of course, everything gets a lot colder. We should mention this can be some dangerous cold, and that's something where you'll really want to protect the outdoor pipes and the pets. Make sure those are indoor pets once we get this cold in here. 17 for Thursday morning. We'll start to see some improvement back into the 40s and 50s by the following weekend. And in the Brazos Valley, temperatures in the 60s for Monday and Tuesday, but falling down to 41, and maybe Thursday could be the coldest of them all at 38. Still in the 40s by Friday and Saturday, but we could see some 60s and maybe some 70s at the tail end of the forecast.